Acharya Shankara said in Approach Anubhuti Verse 3, Swavarnasam dharmena tapsa haritosna sadhanam pravena pusam vairagyati tustam. By performance of duty pertaining to one's social order and stage in life, by austerity and by devotion to the Supreme Lord, one acquires four preliminary qualifications as the means to the attainment of knowledge. Four qualifications for attaining knowledge are Vairagya or dispassion, Vivek or discrimination, Khat Sampatti or six stages, and Mokshatva or yearning for liberation. Six stages are Sama, that is control of desires, Dhamma, that is control of senses, Uprati, that is distance for sense objects, Titiksha, that is endurance of pain, Shraddha, that is faith, and Samadhan, that is deep concentration. Verse 4, 5, 6 says, Brahmadi asthavantesu vairagyam visyesunu yathaiva kagavistayam vairagyam tadadi nirmalam. And in deference to all objects of enjoyment, from the realm of Brahma to this world, just like one treats the excreta of a cow, is verily called pure vairagya or dispassion. Nityam atma sarupam hi drishyam tad vipritigam evam yu nishya samyak viveko vastuna sobe. Only the self, that is seer, is permanent, opposed to this ever-changing world, that is seen. Such a settled conviction is called vivek or discrimination. Sadeva vasnatyaga samo ayam iti sabdita nigraho vahya vrittanam dam iti abhidhiyate. Abandonment of all desires at all times is called sama, and restraint of the external functions of the organs is called dhamma. Previous impressions that are lying dormant in the mind, as well as the contact of mind with external objects, give rise to desires. To abandon all desires is to dissociate the mind from these two sets of stimuli. Verse 7 says, Vishyebhya paravritti param upratir hisa sahanam sarva dukhanam titiksha sa subhamata. Turning away completely from all sense objects is the height of uprati, and patient endurance of all sorrows and pain is known as titiksha, which is conducive to happiness. While practicing sama and dhamma, there is an effort to restrain the mind's outgoing propensities. But in uprati, the equipoise of mind becomes spontaneous and there is no further striving to gain it. Verse 8, 9, 10 says, Nigmachara vakyesu bhakti sraddhyad visruta chitte kagyam tu saulakshe samadhanam ityasmritam. Implicit faith in the words of Vedas and the teachers who interpret them is known as Shraddha, and concentration of mind only on Brahman, that is Sat, is regarded as Samadhan. Sansara bandh nirmukti katham me syat kathapide iti ya sudhita buddhir vaktavya sa mokshita. When and how shall I, O Lord, be free from the bonds of this world? Such a burning desire is called mumukshutva. Ukt sadhan yuktena vichara pursen hi kartabhyo jnana siddhartham atmana subham ichita. Only that person who is in possession of the said qualifications as means to knowledge should constantly reflect with a view to attaining knowledge, desiring his own good.